Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And as you can see, it gives us access to the advanced camera settings, so let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings now. And as you can see here we have the assistive grid, so by tapping on this button we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines. So this is how it works here, and for now I'm going to keep this turned on to show you how it looks like on the camera preview. So let's go back to the camera. And as you can see, it generates us these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. These are only help lines to help us taking better pictures. So let me take a photo. And let's go now here to the right corner at the bottom to the preview. So this is the picture in the gallery, and as you can see these lines are not visible here. Of course, when we don't need it, we can turn it off easily by going again to this button in the right corner, sliding to the settings and tapping on this button, and as you can see for now it's gone. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.